Top Mississippi, Possum Point, Georgia, Miami.
Who's Amy?
Miami.
Hey, you mean your Amy?
Bo Hunkers.
Bo Hookers?
Bo Hunkers.
Bo Hunkers?
Oh, I beg your pardon. Hoboken.
Hoboken. Oh, well, Mr. Conductor, I want to go to Hot Town.
Hot Town?
Yes, sir.
That's the last stop.
Last
All aboard.
All right, sir.
Oh, I see. I had the mute button on. Here, what's that? On. Okay. Chat rat's on. Music is on. Headphones are on. Hydration check.
Tethercat said hydration check. Tethercat said hydration check.
Okay, that's terrifying. That actually works out pretty good. What's going on over on StreamerBoat? So yeah, what's going on if you're just tuning in? What's going on is I'm just trying to figure out what's happening. I'm setting up a bunch of stuff. So far, so good. So far, so good. I have one button that's not doing nothing. Gotta figure out why. Indicator settings, yeah. Actions. I'm just glad I got hydration check to be an actual button that works. I feel like I should add an HS cheers to that.
Armin sent in a Q9R said good morning.
Hey, good morning to you there, Armin. We're doing some, I'm just fiddling around with some buttons. Trying to optimize everything I can. Okay, so that's that. Chat rat, good. Got an ending. Let's head over to the ending. I want to see how this works. Bear back. We're not ending. We're not ending. Okay. Yeah, so that all works.
Armin sent in a Q9R said okay you can do ASMR.
I mean, I know I can do ASMR. It was a dark and stormy night. Do I do the... Sorry, I'm not asking you. I'm asking myself aloud. How do I do the thing? What over here? So what's that button do? It's called Status Indicator. StreamerBot Status Indicator. Do I use the Stream Deck StreamerBot Status Indicator button? Okay, it displays real-time information from StreamerBot. Cool. live viewer count display. What are the steps to set up a live viewer count display on the status indicator button? Blah, blah, blah. Okay. Add a status indicator button. We've done that. Select your streamer bot instance. We've done that. Choose the display type. Sparkline chart. Sure. Oh, value. We can choose value. Let's choose value. No, we definitely do not want that. Indicator setting. Interaction? Yeah. Oh. Okay. Copy the button's ID over in StreamerBot. Create an action. Let's head over to StreamerBot. Create an action. Add streamdeck. We're going to call this status indicator. We're going to add in a streamdeck. Streamdeck. Where's elgato? Elgato streamdeck. Set value. Button ID. And the value. Okay. What do we do value? Value supports variables. Add Twitch channel, add stream deck. Okay. Create a new action, cancel. Stream deck info? Nah. Anyway, sorry, I know this is really thrilling and exciting for those of you watching. Just absolutely riveting stuff, isn't it? How do we delete this? Good, thank you. Sub-action, we're going to call this add viewer count. Okay. Add tube. How do I set viewer count? Broadcaster information? No. User in groups. User. Oh. That broadcaster information, I guess. Set the value to viewer count. Okay. New action. Status indicator. value. What 90 value is viewer count. Hit OK. Good. Save. Actions. Add to export. Save. Now that we head over to here, we do this. Delete. Status indicator. Background. Indicator settings. Current value. Actions. Status indicator. Indicator settings I want to have as a value. Okay, viewers. Good. Says 0. That's fair. To add Twitch viewers and YouTube viewers into add viewer count value. Be nice if this worked. There we go. Stream deck. Spark high. Set chart. Yeah, sure. Create new action. I guess it didn't do it, did it? Account. For YouTube, I did not find a streamer.docs page that shows native YouTube viewer count triggers. Means you need a different path. Okay, well, I've got here the YouTube stats. It shows concurrent viewers. So how do I get this? To receive YouTube concurrent viewers or streamer. Average viewers. Anyway, hi everybody. I hope you're doing well. Concurrent viewers. Concurrent viewers, so the percentage. Status indicator. Live viewers and concurrent viewers. Edit. No. Edit. concurrent viewers. Save. Oh, that definitely did not work. I broke that. Let's edit that. That's viewer count. X. Save. Save. Status indicator. Save. Okay. Hit that. Nope, nothing. We're gonna edit. Toss that back to viewer count. Hit save. Bam. And it says 0 viewers. YouTube. Comment count concurrent viewers. Okay. Edit sub action. Plus. Concurrent viewers. Okay. Save. Streamer bot to add 2 values. Entered the desired. How to add multiple values? Cars. Gotta do this I am not a bot thing. How to add 2 variables. Finding and using it. Execute scripts options. How to add 2 variables. You know what? I need to do a hydration check.
Tethercat said hydration check. Tethercat said hydration check.
It's now as easy as me hitting a single button. And you have no idea how incredibly easy that is now. Okay. Math. Math. Anywhere you can do a variable of replacement, you can execute inline functions to manipulate them. Ooh, I like that. Edit. $math. Bracket. Wait. $math. Bracket. Viewer count. Plus concurrent viewers. $. Okay. Save. That did not work. Streamdeck set value. Edit. All right, well, let's see if concurrent viewers works. So I don't think we even tried that for YouTube yet. No, that doesn't work. Edit. Viewer count. So we have Twitch viewer count. Math. Oh, interesting. All right, edit. Math. Space. Wow, I really did not like that. Yeah, math. Space. Plus. Concurrent viewers. Percentage. And a dollar sign. Okay. Save. Yeah, I did not like that. It also just doesn't like the add YouTube broadcaster information in general. There's got to be a different way around that. Add YouTube polls user. StreamBot sub action. YouTube viewers. Viewer value. Present viewers. Platforms. Here we go. Add platforms. Well, I guess that's... Present viewers. Triggers. YouTube. Triggers. YouTube. Broadcast. Chat. Present viewers. General present viewers. Let's delete that sub-action. Let's hit save. Still doesn't like that. That's not the one I want. General variables. Trigger ID. No. Triggers. Add Twitch. Channel. Cancel. Don't want any triggers. That's the problem. YouTube moderation.
Minimi Cursor 96 said hello.
Greetings and salutations. I'm working on some optimization for my Elgato Stream Deck to really make things faster. Like, you know when the music plays at the start? I finally did an all aboard. Check this out. Check this out, okay?
Tethercat said all aboard. Wildcat Station locomotive.
Going to Easy, Alabama. Don't stop, Mississippi. Possum Point, Georgia.
Okay, so it does that. I have audio buttons for muting chat rat and enabling chat rat. muting myself, enabling myself. We can hop over to the soccer stream. We can hop over here to this this room, which I've just called Warudo, which is wrong, but I suppose I should just call it reading room. Anyway, yeah, I'm working on a ton of stuff, and right now I'm trying to figure out how to get viewers to show up on my Elgato system. So it's a really chill stream. Anyway, how are you doing tonight, Minimi? And literally anyone else watching, if anyone else is watching. Like I say, it's a stream where not much is going on.
You have AMS.
I definitely have options, and thank you for commenting.
Minimi Cursor 96 said doing okay, thanks. How are you?
Ultimately, I'm okay, and I've had a very good and productive day, which always helps. Always helps. I'm what did I do today? I found a job opportunity. And I did up a quick resume and cover letter, and I'm throwing it out there. And if it works out, the job opportunity is for a publishing company for like books. So if that works out, that's great. Oh, hey, since I have you guys here, Minimi, everyone, you want to see? I mean, you might have seen this earlier, but I wanted to show it off anyway. This is me bragging. You want to see this? Take a look at this. Check that out. That's the
Cliofox said coolness on the potential job opportunity.
Yeah, yeah. You never know what happens.
My Cursor 96 said it's adorable.
Isn't this the cutest thing you've ever seen?
Cliofox said would love to see new things. Cliofox said super cute.
This is the new character reference
Wes Narwhal
sheet.
815 said cute.
Hey Wes, how's it going?
Cliofox said EY. Model sheet.
It's a model sheet. It's a setai. It's a character sheet for Tethercat, yes. I'm hoping I can get fan art. I finally want fan art. And this came in today. Obviously, it's a Mizu design, and I'm hoping I can get some fan art. I mean, whether I do or don't, it's irrelevant, but I'm just ecstatic that this character model sheet finally came in. It's just so cute. I mean, look at it. Look at all the detail. Check it out, I have paws.
Cliofox said most excellent.
No one's ever seen Tethercat paws before. Actually, no, that's not right. I have paws on my 3D model. I got the toe beans on my 3D model, but this is the first time you've seen toe beans on my my 2D model. And yeah, just incredibly cute, isn't it? Incredibly cute. So I'm already committing one of my...
said Tethercat has toe beans.
I'm committing one of my cardinal sins by not making me have the upside down spinny eyes. There we go. But I'm testing things out. I think I'm forgivable. Anyways, yes. I love how my system's just still not working. This whole stream is to help me out, figure out oh, status indicator. Yeah, I don't want... Do I want that? Sure, status indicator, sure. Can I reload that? Anyway, yeah, this whole stream is a practice session for me to get a whole bunch of things. Does that make sense? Edit. No. Let's delete the sub action. Let's save it. No, that didn't work. It's called status indicator. Let's edit, cancel. Let's add elgato set value. We need the button ID. This is the button ID. Button ID, bam. Value is viewer count. I think that's what it said. It was viewer count. Let me just check that and double check it. Viewer count, yeah. And it updates on a timed or trigger-driven action. Whatever. Great. Save. Yeah, it still doesn't work. Let's see. Maybe I need to make a indicators. Yeah. That did not work. This is not what I wanted. Value, interaction key down, indicator settings. Sure, let's make it that. Sure, let's make it that. Okay. Yeah, I don't know what's going on anymore. I thought I knew. I thought I knew what was going on. And then I didn't know what was going on. And now I don't know what's going on. I'm awesome. Copy. Edit sub action. Put it paste. Save. Streamer bot. Action. Status indicator. Save. There we go. Okay. Yours. Oh, that didn't work. I am the greatest thing that's ever existed ever. I'm having as much success with this as I am with Cat Mario. Take that as you will. Okay. Anyway, let's leave that. So just ignore that. So what else have we got? We got the ending music. We got... Is there anything over on this that I need to do? Just gonna streamline the social stream ninja. All that is set up. I think I'm good. The problem is my stream deck here is 15. I have 15 buttons on my stream deck. One button is taken up as a back button, meaning if I dive into folders, like if I go into some folders, then I need a back button to get out of those folders. So that's one of my buttons. Everything else. Actually, I wonder, can I even stream that? Wouldn't that be a funny thing if I could just stream that window? Display capture. We'll call this stream deck. And display to capture. No. Capture method. No. Cancel. Delete. Yeah. Window. Window capture. Stream deck. Make source visible? No. Select a window. Stream deck. Streamer bot. Streamer bot. Sure, let's try that. Yeah, that did not work. Oh well. Suppose I could show my desktop. I mean, I literally don't have anything going on here. That would be considered embarrassing, which is good. So, share window. We're going to say danger desktop. Yeah, that's not a window, that's the actual desktop. Let's remove that. Yeah. Share display capture. Sure. Danger desktop. Display capture. Okay. Like I say, there's nothing in there that's embarrassing. There we go. So this is what I'm facing off against right here. Trying to figure out how to use my stream deck. You'll notice I've got the opening for the meow loading, which is that thing that it says all aboard, and I play the hot town music. So those three are there. Bam, bam, bam. That's good. By the way, this is how I set up my streams through Profile YouTube. And I set up, hey, YouTube, I'm doing a stream. Let me just lower that so you can see my mouth. So I set up YouTube and I say, hey, YouTube, I'm doing a stream and I'm going to call it Testing Elgato Stream Deck. And that's great. And then once the stream is set up for YouTube, I hop over to my Twitch YouTube multi-stream. And then that makes a whole bunch of different things that I'm able to put on Twitch. And it's like, hey, yeah, Twitch, by the way, I'm doing a stream called Testing Elgato Optimizations. And it's like, okay, cool. So I've got my op meow loaded up. I mute chat rat. There's no volume on my end for doing that or not. And then when the music, when the clock hits the top of the hour, or whenever I'm ready to go, I put stream on, and it starts the stream, and then, and I guess I should add one for going live on YouTube if I can. Stream on, stream off. And then it initiates the VLC hot down music, and I put all aboard, and it shows the text, which is cool. And then we do this. Hi, everybody, I'm Tethercat, and we do the conversation soccer pitch. Currently, we're in the reading room, which is why this is lit up. If I were to click on that, that would send us over to the soccer pitch. But currently, we're in the reading room. And then when the stream is done, I say, okay, oh, by the way, I'll do hydration checks every now and then. And then when the stream is done, I say, okay, everyone, take care, goodbye. And then I do the thanks for watching ending. And I have to manually select the music. You'll notice that I've got like 4 or 5 songs that I dabble with on the, it's never the same ending song. Or it's rarely the same ending song. But anyway, yeah, that's the ending. So and this is just a mere fraction of the kind of the behind-the-scenes buttons and toggles and switches and clickities and clackities and widgets and all the fun stuff. So then I pulled out my Elgato Stream Deck, which I say is a 15-button Stream Deck, but because this is its own folder, I have to make sure that one button is modified to be the back button so I can get out of there. And then I've got all this other stuff, and I'm able to do all this other stuff. And, yeah, not bad. I can still optimize this more, but I think it's okay as is. Incidentally, yeah, I can show that. So this is my main thing. When I start up my computer in the morning, this comes on, and you'll notice that I've got my morning startup, and this is just load up websites, load up, you know, the weather, load up anything I'm gonna need for the day. It just loads up everything all at once. It's a nice little handy little button. If I'm preparing to go to stream, like, I'm not even talking about going live. I'm talking about if I'm preparing a stream in general, I'll click the TetherCat button, and that allows me to turn on my microphone, turn on my camera, make sure that this setting and that setting pops open OBS, pops open StreamerBot and SpeakerBot. It does everything. So that's the TetherCat button. And then, yeah, I escape out of that, and then I go into the one that we just saw, which I'm going to have to rename from OBS folder to maybe just live stream folder, maybe. This will be called TetherCat Setup, and this will be called TetherCat Livestream. Anyway, and I still haven't figured out what I'm going to do with this one. But yeah, I hope that gives you a little bit of an idea of kind of what I'm doing. Or what I'm trying to do, anyway. Little hint behind the scenes. Kind of cool, isn't it? See, because again, I use one monitor. I only have one monitor. That's crazy. I'm not like any of those crazy professional VTuber, streamer, influencer types who have like 2 or 3 monitors and everything. I just got this one monitor in front of me. And the fact that I can make my Stream Deck actually viable to help me out with hotkey buttons and showing off stats, that's handy. That's handy. Anyway, what else can I do here? I wonder if I can... Okay, what was I doing? I'm gonna bring that back up. I think I'm gonna delete this status indicator, yeah. And delete that. And delete that. Actually, no. No, I think this is okay. Let's just show the status indicator. Show off the action, which is status indicator. Indicator settings are going to be a value. Oh, that totally did not work. That totally did not work, and I feel shame. Alright, let's delete that. Now let's add a trigger, and that trigger is going to be present viewers on YouTube. Let's hit save. Let's see if that works.
Tethercat said all aboard. Wildcat station locomotive tramcar.
Whoops. Yeah, Didn't mean to do that. Thanks, Chat Rat. Whoops. I'm hitting all the buttons. Thanks, Chat Rat. I now have a button that mutes Chat Rat when I want it to. That's really kind of cool. And add elgato, streamdeck, set value. Copy, button value. View. Gosh darn it, that didn't work. Okay, let's edit. Concurrent viewers. Save. That didn't work. I'm not very good at this game. Alright, let's head back and we'll try and set up Twitch streamers again. Delete sub action, yes. Delete trigger source, yes. Add sub action. Twitch add viewer account, yes. Add streamer bot. Add stream deck. Set value. Percentage. Viewer count percentage. Okay. Save. Title. Viewers. Maybe I'm doing, you know what, maybe I'm doing too hard trying to reinvent the wheel. Twitch. Let's just put that in there, yeah. Viewers. Oh, account. I guess I gotta add in a new account, sure. Copy. Paste. Do you wish to authorize? Yes, I do. Cool. Okay. Alright, so now it shows that I've got 2 viewers on Twitch, which is kind of cool. I wish it were a little different, but whatever. Can it even do anything? What happens if I hit a button? Well, I hit the button, it didn't do anything. So that's awesome. Good job, me. Good job. So now it at least shows Twitch viewers. which does nothing for me. Oh well. Someday people will have brains. Smarter people than me will be smart. Someday. I can only anticipate the day that that happens.
Duplicate Marlin 8TD said best viewers.
Best chat rat. Having the chat rat button as a mute button is incredibly helpful. I can't deny this. That's incredibly helpful. Menu. Sign in. Alright, well, I don't want to tempt fate with that. What else? What other damage can I do here? I think that's about it. I can do a few more things, but I think I might want to edit that. I don't want chat rat to say train trolley, train trolley, train trolley, train trolley. Or do I? Let's edit. Okay, so what happens if I do this? First of all, let's save. Now let's see what happens when I do this.
Tethercat said all aboard, Wildcat Station Locomotive. Tethercat said all aboard, Wildcat Station Locomotive.
So it actually does say locomotive. That's not bad. I think we can handle that. I think we can do that. Let's just make it a locomotive. Actually, I wonder if there's a Siri bot mechanism, scheme, control, thingy doo-wop. Streamer deck, start, okay. Close, 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 close. Streamer bot. Wait, I don't want that. Or do I? Dun dun dun, the plot thickens. Alright, that's what I want. Siri bot? No, there's no plugins for Siri bot. Discord? I wonder if there's... See, to the best of my knowledge, StreamerBot does pretty much damn near everything. StreamerBot, host, stream to everywhere. How do you automate going live posts to social media? It's tempting. How to auto post to Blue Sky when you're going live. This is all kind of cool stuff. This is stuff that I wouldn't mind doing. I do have that one open slot Anyway, it's now getting extremely late, and I think that the things I'm looking at are better utilized for a much less tired tether cat. So I think I'm gonna call it. I think I'm gonna conclude the stream. It's a test stream anyway. No one's really doing nothing. So let's try this out. Here we go, everyone. We're gonna go straight into the end music. So yeah, if you were hanging around, you've got some fortitude, and I appreciate it. And if you weren't hanging around, well then, thanks for watching. Check this out. Let's see if we can do this with just a few buttons.
Tethercat said I need a thanks for watching button. Tethercat said I need a thanks for watching button.